To become a Buddha, there are only 2 steps. You become a vegetarian, ahimsa, you get 50%. You do anapanasati meditation, you become 100%, you are a Buddha, that's all. If you do meditation and keep quiet, you will not become a Buddha, you will become an Arihant. Arihant అంటే తాను ఒక ఫుల్ మూన్గా పరిపూర్ణుడిగా అయ్యాడు ధ్యానం ద్వారా, అహింస ద్వారా, శాకాహారం ద్వారా. Arihant is a person who has become non-violent and he has become humane and he has become enlightened through meditation. He will become a enlightened master. Afterwards, you become a bodhisattva. Arihant, bodhisattva, Buddha. నాతో పాటు అందరూ చెప్పండి. Arihant, bodhisattva, Buddha. As I am acting, you also do action. Arihant, bodhisattva, Buddha. Again.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.